Hi, my name is Loretta Washburn. I had a stroke a month ago. I had confusion. I was no equilibrium. I'd fallen 4 times, and I was walking with a walker. And I had a session with Asteria, and it was amazing. I felt this energy going up the left side of my head where I had my stroke, and I could feel the healing energy going through, and I could feel the crackling in my head of it working. And when I stood up, my equilibrium was back. There was no confusion. I didn't need my walker. It was quite miraculous.